Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to leave a workspace in Slack, quit a Slack workspace, easy Slack tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just go ahead and open Slack onto your browser or the desktop app. So onto this tutorial, we will show you how to leave a workspace because sometimes you may need to leave a workspace in Slack if you're no longer part of a project or if you simply want to declutter your workspace. To go ahead and do this, you need to go ahead and deactivate your account. So it might sound scary, but it just means for that certain workspace. To do so, just head onto your profile icon in here, click onto that, and right after, just go ahead and click on profile. So you should be able to see something like this over here. Right after, just click onto the three dots here and click on account settings. So this should go ahead and redirect you to your account settings, and we'll just have to go ahead and deactivate this. So as you can see in here, you're the primary owner of test, so you can't deactivate your account. So you can transfer the ownership to another member first or delete the workspace. So there are two options in here. So if you are just invited onto the certain workspace, then there should be an option for you to deactivate this. So it will deactivate you onto that certain workspace. You'll just have to click onto deactivate and then continue doing so. But since I am the owner of this workspace, I have to transfer the ownership first for this, or simply delete the workspace. And that is how easy you could go ahead and leave a workspace in Slack. And if you think that this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.